Right here I have something that is gonna help you stop snoring. Now, ladies, listen up. If your husband is snoring, this is something that you're gonna wanna give a shot at. Now, it's really easy to use. This is BPA free, and you actually mold it to your teeth, so it's gonna fit you absolutely perfect. Now, it does come in a nice case because whenever you start falling in love with this, you can take it with you when you're traveling, and I do love this really durable case that fits it very well. Now, let's take a look at the design here. So I actually took this apart so you can see what this looks like, but we have all of these different notches in here and the little grooves that it goes into. You can actually line this up perfectly. So right now, this is gonna be lined up where you can see this is parallel, and you can actually move it forward and place it like that. And you can actually do it like this. So depending on how your bite is, you can push your jaw forward to see it help. Whenever you do mold this, you want to just mold it whenever it's parallel first. And there are directions that show you how to do this, because you do want to boil the water, put it in cool water, mold it to your teeth to make it nice and perfect and form-fitting. This is such an amazing piece because it fits very well, it's comfortable, it's going to open up your airways. So as your mouth is open, it's going to open up the airways so you're not going to be snoring. Now this works great, and I highly recommend it. Definitely give it a shot. I'd probably say give it a shot at least 3 nights before you make a decision. And if you want to cut down on your snoring at night, this is something that I definitely recommend. Add this to your Amazon cart. This thing is amazing. It works wonders. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.